Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another daily video. Guys, we're back on Puppy Town today to see what exactly has been going on with this app. I've been asked by lots and lots of people to actually check out Puppy Town again and see what has changed. Because apparently now the dividend system is way more mainstream. So they're really trying to focus on the dividend system. Now, we'll talk about this dividend system once I see it. Welcome to Puppy Town, collect the yeah, whatever. I have deleted the app since the last time we spoke, everyone. It's just a terrible fake app. If you don't know, Puppy Town is legitimately one of the biggest scams on the internet. And it has been literally proven, dude. You have to go and check out the reviews for Puppy Town. It's hilarious. On the Play Store or the App Store, no matter where you are, what kind of device you use. Anywhere you look, Puppy Town has bad reviews. But, here we go. So this dividend system. For me, I don't know about you out there, but for me, I don't have the money options anymore. This is the latest version on the Android store, everyone, okay? This is not, I don't have an iPhone. This would be the Android, right? This is what I get when I download the game. So, now, it says $160 worth of money dividend right now. So apparently I would get $160 per lucky puppy yesterday. If I had 5 lucky puppies, you would have $160 times 5. This is what I mean by this is a scam. And now I want you all to listen to me very carefully, and let's all think about this very carefully here, slowly. You ready? 50 million people have downloaded Puppy Town, right? 50 million plus. And the total revenue that has been split between 100 users, that's 100, is $16,000. Now, you're telling me that out of 50 million people, only 100 users have the lucky puppies. I don't know what planet these developers are on. I don't know how these developers are even allowed to do this. And you're telling me, out of 50 million users, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, only 6 people technically got paid by the dividend system, and they only got paid once. So all of them only had one lucky puppy. Really? Now, is this what we're really gonna believe? 1. Dude, have you noticed it's only one? They're only getting these unique IDs are only getting paid for one puppy. I can guarantee that there are people out there that have more than one lucky puppy. If anyone plays Lucky Puppy, or not Lucky Puppy, that's another stupid scam app. If anyone plays Puppy Town, please leave me a comment below if you have a lucky puppy. And have you got paid your dividend share? In theory, you should get $100-something. Right now, if I had one lucky puppy, I should get $160, bro. But you're telling me, this app is telling me only 100 people got paid. Or are getting paid. The dividend share. When over 50 million people have downloaded this app. Can no one see how this is just a complete joke? Like, I've got some comments saying, oh, but you don't show the scam. Guys, there's nothing to show. You don't get paid. I mean, it's not rocket science. No one gets paid. You don't get paid from Puppy Town, bro. Developer, I wish there was a developer came out and showed us the logs, the transaction logs of money going to people's account. I wish we had real life people testimony, not paid actors, not, you know, like these random little YouTube accounts. I want real YouTubers to come out and say, yeah, look, I played Puppy Town and I got paid. I'll never see it though. I'll never see it. Dude, the day that I see Puppy Town pays out literally 50 million users worth of dividends, could you imagine how many people have lucky puppies? Like these puppies, they say. It's just crazy, everyone. It's so funny to me as well that there's an app called Puppy Town, right, that we're on now. But then there's a knockoff app called Lucky Puppy. They're all made by the same people. It's pathetic. I mean, you got to think about how really invested some of these developers are in making sure that you guys see their scam apps. And everyone knows Puppy Town. Everyone... Their mum, their dog, their cousin, their cat. Everyone knows Puppy Town, dude. It's one of the most advertised apps possible. And now they really want us to believe. They went from promising real-life prizes, real-life money, and now they have a dividend system. And to make things worse, I'm pretty sure you can still get... Look at all this spam I get, dude. Look at all this... Like, I was about to swear then. I'll get in trouble. Can't swear. Look at all this garbage, dude. Anyway, so where's Puppy Town? We all know Puppy Town Beyond. Here it is. Collect puzzles. Ah, excellent. Okay, so here we go. The daily prizes are still here. Guys, I'm sad. I'm very sad. I mean, what do we do? What, as a community of people, like, how do we let these apps continue to scam us and waste time? There's going to be a point in time where someone has to come up and be like, or Google, it's really nothing we can do, we're just users. But Google has to wake up and realize that, you know, even though these apps are generating a lot of money for you, Google, you're literally probably the richest company in the world, or one of the richest companies in the world. And yet they let these little scam apps scam over 50 million users. It's just sad to me. I don't know how only 100 people are getting a dividend cut. That should be at least 1 million users minimum. Minimum, bro, with a 50 million user player base that have played this app. Now, it doesn't mean that there's actively 50 million people playing. You gotta keep that in mind. But let's have a look here. I'm not even joking. Here we go. You may get lucky puppies. For each lucky puppy, you'll get dividends up to 250 United... Oh my god, USD. 7 days! Oh my god, did you get paid... You can get paid up to $250 for 7 consecutive days. Are we going to talk about that as well? Do you know how much money that is, dude? That's more than a full-time job. You guys watching me right now, think about this maths right now. Are you earning $250 a day for 7 days straight? Dude, this app is ridiculous. I really hope something happens to Lucky Puppy. I hope it gets copyrighted down. I hope it gets something. Something has to happen. I know a lot of people are saying class action lawsuit. I don't know how that all works, everyone, but they can change it as well. It's funny, because I remember reading something here. We may change the ways you get lucky puppies from time to time. Yeah, I can tell that, dude. There are only 10 lucky puppies in total for all the users in a single day during this activity. The number may be changed from time to time. I don't understand. There are only 10 lucky puppies in total for all the users in a single day during this activity. 10 lucky puppies for all the users? Then how are you paying out 100 people? Shouldn't only 10 users be getting paid out, technically? That doesn't make any sense to me, dude. Am I reading that wrong? 100%, like, let's read this carefully again, you ready? There are only 10 lucky puppies in total for all the users in a single day. Okay, so today, how many users are getting paid? Remember, there's only 10 dogs to go around, so you think only 10 users are getting paid. Nope, 100 users. I have to be reading, either I'm reading that wrong, or that doesn't make any sense. How are 100 people getting a dividend cut? I can't, man. Puppy Town's just a joke. Guys, stay safe out there. Do not get ripped off by Puppy Town. Please, I beg you, do not fall for it. It needs to be banned. And one day it will be banned. We'll see. The time will come where this game will get banned. Either way, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there. Let me know what you think of Puppy Town in the comment section below. I'm sure I'm not the only one that hates this app. I can't be. Anyway, see you next time, guys. See you later.